During this Mammoth Tusk Restoration process, I have gone down some deep rabbit holes learning about them, and there's some crazy cool stuff out there. Like, apparently in the 18 and early 1900s, these carcasses would sometimes surface in Siberia, and the locals would feed them to their sled dogs, which is crazy. There's even one report where they fed it to people at a banquet, but that was proven to be largely an urban legend. But got me wondering, would you eat woolly mammoth, and what's the weirdest thing you have eaten? And I'll go first. Nutria is mine.
So I had about a year to prep for this mammoth tusk, and so I did a ton of samples, and I got deep into some website, I don't even remember what website, and somebody mentioned something about mixing bone ash and epoxy to make faux ivory. So that's what I've been doing. I've been doing these different samples, mixing bone ash, which is what it sounds like, it's burnt bones, and different colors to try to match this ivory. And I think I'm gonna do similar to what I do with walnut, where I'm gonna do kind of a darker hue, like I'm not gonna try to match the ivory perfectly. So I'll pick some of those dark chocolate tones, mix up the bone ash and the dye, and then just kind of do small sections that way.
Through the research I did leading up to this, I found a few tusk restoration shops out there